to hold on, how to keep going. All the fears it falls, the love and lost, we cannot lose it all. Where leads this road? No end, just beginning. When it hums upon our thoughts and flaws, we cannot lose it all. I'm looking for a brighter day, stuck in reverse when time will go by. A brighter day, and a change gonna come, but we have to wait, able to move on and on. Love is keeping us alone for a brighter day. The rhythm of life. Do you ever wonder, did we miss a sign, a beating out of time, not feeling fine? But is it okay to tell you're afraid, to face the world outside, not close your eyes, and times don't wanna hide? I'm looking for a brighter day, stuck in reverse when time will go by. A brighter day, and a change gonna come, but we have to wait, able to move on and on. Love is keeping us alone for a brighter